Hey, it's Gary D. Hart with Insightful Accountant here with another App Academy for you. Today I'm talking with Alicia Katz-Pollock from Royalwise. Hey, Alicia, I
Hey,
know that
Gary.
you have been doing a ton of work on the back end of Royalwise from your whole training platform. So I'm glad you've taken a couple of minutes here to tell me about it. So tell me about it.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me. Royalwise has
Absolutely.
been repositioning ourselves as an app partner. So, in addition to training individual bookkeepers and business owners and using QBO and their Macs, like we've been doing for years, we're scaling up to serve entire accounting firms who want to outsource their QuickBooks Online training. So, as you know, a lot of new hires have really limited experience with QuickBooks. They either didn't learn it in their academic programs or they pass their certification test, but they still don't have enough experience. And they know what buttons to click, but not how to actually do the bookkeeping in the software. And so our QBO trainings are now NASBA CPE approved, and accounting firm staff can use it like a resource library to fill in the gaps in their knowledge.
Fantastic. Can you take us a run through? Kind of show us the site and
Sure.
show us what we see when we get there
Yeah.
as a member or a user. Is
Yeah,
that what's the right
absolutely.
term, member or user?
Well, both. We have individual courses and we have memberships. And we do treat it like a community, so everybody really is a community member with us. So when somebody goes to learn.royalwise.com, which is our learning management system, you see the different subjects that we teach. And so here's QuickBooks, and I'll go ahead and click yes on the QuickBooks. And it takes you into our portal. And you can see here that we have a lot of different approaches to the learning so that we can meet everybody wherever they're at. We have a vast library of video courses. We do live webinars, and then we have the memberships. We also have guest instructors and have written several different QuickBooks textbooks. So just to show you the breadth of what we have going on, I'm going to go into the video courses here. And you can see that we start with introductory level beginner's guides, and then we get into our boot camp, which is our fundamental foundation course. And then we have just course after course after course that are all deep dives into specific topics. So whatever it is where you're stuck in your own QuickBooks, we have a topic that you can specifically go look at in order to fill in those gaps. And so there's also a search on the right-hand side, so you can look up a specific topic and see which videos have that content. And in addition to the video courses, we have the live webinars. And the live webinars are how we update all of those courses that will do it live with a studio audience, essentially, and then that becomes the on-demand courses. So we always have our upcoming classes here. And when you look at this, you're like, ooh, I want to take all of those classes. This is awesome. That's where our memberships come into play. And so our bronze membership, for example, is all the QuickBooks fundamentals that are, for instance, this is great for your business owners. The
Okay.
silver membership is full access to everything. And then the gold membership includes coaching as well.
And coaching, and that's done by you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so people can meet with me individually and I can actually go into a QuickBooks file and help them with wherever they're stuck.
Okay, fantastic. So is there where do we point people to, or if people want to learn more about any of this, whether it's membership, whether it's individual training, where do we send them?
Yeah. So if you go to royalwise.com, you can learn about the program. Like I said, the learning management system itself with all the courses is at learn.royalwise.com. But if you are interested in using our portal with your team or with your clients, then definitely check out royalwise.com/partner. And when you go to royalwise.com/partner, you can find out about all the different ways that you can leverage our content in creative ways so that you can make it available for your team training, or you can use it as a value added and actually create a portal with your clients, which really makes you stand out from the crowd.
That's great. And again, I know you've been working on this a long time. That has to be really good has to feel great to see this come to fruition. It's ready for prime time and ready to train people, right?
Yeah, I mean, in recognition for all the work that I put into this, I was recently named Ignition's top 50 women in accounting. So they really believe in what we're doing here.
That is fantastic. All right. Well, congratulations. And again, that URL was
.com/partner.
royalwise.com/partner. Thanks for hopping into an App Academy. We do
Hey, thank
appreciate
you very much for featuring me.
it. Absolutely.